enter, let's say we enter a mile there and we want to convert that to kilometers. So there, give us 107.8 kilometers. And let's say we convert into nautical miles, that's what it gives you. Okay, so what is left is for us to just take care of this. Let's take care of that now. Alright, so the reset of this is meant to clear all of this, so let's do that. Let's take care of the reset first. So right click on the reset and go to events, action, and right here, so let's enter jTextField mile dot, so we make that. Okay, let's come out here, and that is that. We also need jLabel mile dot, and just make that maybe nil value. It's all the same anyway, and then come here and enter the final one. So that's it. We've reset that to what it's meant to be. Then let's do the same thing for this one, and this, what is their name? Let's get the name of, okay, CD distance, and this one is distance, LBL distance. Okay, right click, let's just copy this name, right clicks and come right here, just paste that in there. Dots, we want it clear to distance. I think distance is the default, really. Right, and the other one is jTextField distance. Okay, copy and paste, and we have jLabel distance, paste. So that is sorted as well. Now we need to work this out. So the distance, right click and take care of that right there. So the first thing is I'm going to declare the following. Let's declare as follows. So double, let's go for distance. Then we also have double, that'll be for speed. Then double, that'll be for time. Alright, we have those in place. So tab down, if as C as distance, okay, equals distance, then we need this distance to, let's copy that and place it here, equals double dot pause, and we want that to be distance. Okay, so let's just get this, just amend it anyway, and get that, and here get rid of that. This will be get. Okay, so let's get, and just semicolon there. That's it. So we've assigned whatever is entered into the text box distance, we've assigned it into distance. So the first one would be to calculate for distance, and in the case of distance, that will be the speed. So we need to now work that out. Whatever is assigned there, we need the time as well, and we need the speed, time and speed. So let's say distance, so let's change this to speed. So to get the distance, that would be distance in this case equals speed multiplied by time. So that will give us the distance. But time, we need to know what time is, so maybe we need to give times some value as well. Okay, so let's just make up something there for time. Let's say about 4.9 or whatever. So time, this time there. Okay, now we need, now I need to assign this to something. So let's say string. Okay, let's go for value equals string dot format. Okay, there, dot format, and that is it, distance. So that will give us the value. Now we need to assign this into LBL, this very one. So let's copy that right here, paste, and just make that this one become value. Yeah, that is sorted. So I'm gonna copy this, come right down here, paste that, and we need to now work out, let's say we're working out time. If we work out time, the first one we've just done is distance. So if we work out time, to work out this, let's declare time. Let's declare another variable. Just say I time there. So in the case of I time, this will become I time divided by distance. So we need distance here, and this will be distance. Let's change this to distance right there, and this will become distance as well. Then divide by speed, but we don't have value for speed. We also need value for speed, so we can make that up. So let's say 100 miles an hour. There, that's sorted. Now finally we need another one. Copy that. Now I need to work out speed. This is for time, so we need speed. So let's go for speed right here. So I just change that to I speed. So I speed will be double I speed, and I speed is distance divided by time, and that is taken care of. But here that should be, if time is selected, is that for time? Speed, that's speed. And here this will be time. Okay, yeah, hopefully that should work. So those are the lines of code to work out speed or distance, speed, and time. So I've just made it up, so you can do the same thing. Alright, of course I needed where to enter my speed and time. I should have had maybe two of this, one for speed, one for time, but I've just made that up just to save time. This is getting too long, so let's run it and see if it works. Run. Okay, let's try out speed. Just enter whatever value in there. Good. No, let's go for distance and see. That's the distance. and let's go for time. I think I've not. Let's go for speed. I haven't changed it round. Let's come back in the code and see what I've done wrong. Yeah, look at it, that is wrong. So time is speed, and the other one is divided by speed. One is divided by speed and one is divided by time. I think this is correct. If this is selected, the speed is selected, so distance divided by time, and if time is selected, distance divided by speed. Yeah, I think that's correct. So that is fine. And this, yeah, you can check it out mathematically. So I'm going to run it and just demonstrate how the whole program works for you guys, and I'll call it the end of this long tutorial. And with that, I'll just call it the end of the tutorial itself. Convert, and here we need to enter name there. So let's enter name. So that will be, let's say, let's go for Luke Sampson, and street Kingsland, or Kingsway, or Kings Road. Yeah, road, postcode M9, whatever, telephone number, that might be someone's number, and that is all there is to it. Also, all you just need to do now is click on total right there, guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoy it. If you have any comment, pass it on. In fact, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.